stuff like that, they would like for you to sit to them on the computer.
It's pretty wicked, whatever it is over there. It looks wild.
And it's just moving that way too, towards my place. God, don't tear my house up.
Look at that right there. That's creepy looking. That looks like a... It's probably rain right there, but I don't know.
I believe that's a tornado.
That's rain, Lily.
No, that black line coming down right there.
Look at that. Look at that movement in that cloud right there. Yeah, look at it.
That looks like a tornado.
It just picked up. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's a tornado. Look!
Shh.
Jimmy, that's a tornado.
It's pretty brutal looking, whatever it is. It keeps going up, and then keeps dropping down. Looks like a funnel to me.
We see it dropping down. Yes, heading that way. Yes. Alright then, yeah, we're seeing it. We're watching it. Jimmy's recording it. It's fixing not to be. Well, just call me and let me know, because I'll say it's about 5 minutes or so away. Yes. It went right in front of us. Maybe. Yeah. I know. We don't either. We ain't got no time. Alright, well I just want to let you know we watched. Dang. I just want to kind of let you know we see it. We don't know if it's directly that way, but just watch out. Okay. But here we can't hardly. Here is blowing every which way, so I don't know. Yeah. It changes here too.
How many times you gonna say that?
As many times as he can hear. Because he don't hear that well.
Huh?
Huh?
It won't if it blows through here. It'll pull that shit right off.